You can add a type constraint to a generic function by placing a single class or protocol constraint after a type parameter's name. In line 1, we have a function called equal. You can see that it has a generic type and then it has a type constraint. It says that the type, while it can be a generic type, it must conform to the equatable protocol. In line 4, call the equal function with a set to 1 or the string bill and b set to 1 or the string ivy. So this function returns a bool and it returns true if a is equal to b. This equality operator can be used with all different types in Swift as long as they conform to the equatable protocol, and that is why this generic function is type constrained to the equatable protocol, because there's also types that don't conform to the equality operator, and we don't want those because we're using this operator in this function. And that is an example why sometimes you want to use type constraints. So let's call the equal function. So we can say equal, and we just say a is 1 and b is also 1. And now we can see that the value is true because 1 is equal to 1.